Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? Hope all of you are hale and hearty by the blessing of Almighty Allah. Welcome back to our online platform NIEFS Home School. This is Muhammad Abul Kalam, Assistant Teacher of National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Dear learners, today I am going to conduct an agriculture studies class for the students of class 8. Let's see our today's topic. Our today's topic is assignment number 2 discussion. I repeat, our today's topic is assignment number 2 discussion. Dear learners, look here. This is our 6th number lecture on our annual term syllabus. My dear students, in your previous class, you learned or you knew how to do your assignment number 2, assignment number 1, and inshallah today we shall learn how to do our assignment number 2. So let's see our assignment topic. So look here, it is chapter 5, agricultural productions. If you open to your book, agriculture studies book, so this agriculture studies book, chapter 5, the title of chapter 5 is agricultural productions. I repeat, it is agricultural productions. Then you will go to lesson 9, preparation of pond for mixed culture. Next it is chapter 6, forestry, lesson number 2, techniques of preparation of nursery. Okay, that means from 2 lessons, lesson number 9 and lesson number 2, our questions are given. So let's see our questions, creative questions. So look, here also it is written assignment number 2. 1 number, Minara Begum, look at the stream. Minara Begum of Shokipur village took initiative to cultivate rui, katla, silver carp and carpio in a pond of 5 decimal of length next to her house. So look, it is important what type of what are the fishes does she cultivate in her 5 decimal of length, 5 decimal of length pond? It is rui, katla, silver carp, carpio in a pond of 5 decimal of length. So look, it is important 5 decimal of length. For this, she prepared the pond by applying the necessary lime and fertilizer with the advice of the fisheries officer. These are the stream. Okay, now on the basis of the stream, so we have 2 questions, A and B. How much urea fertilizer did Minara Begum apply in the pond? So look here, how much urea fertilizer did Minara Begum apply in the pond? Find it out. Dear learners, in these questions you must remember one important thing. So look here, it is 5 decimal length. Look at the area of the point, it is 5 decimal. Now questions, how much urea fertilizer did Minara Begum apply in the pond? Find it out. Now in these connections we will go to our book page number 95. So dear learners, quickly open your book page number 95. Look here also written, I have added a page from your agriculture studies book, page number 95. So look here in the 5 number para, 5 number points, it is written application of fertilizer. I think all of you can see this properly. What is it? It is application of fertilizer. Natural feed grows in the pond after application of the fertilizer. The fertilizer should be applied after 7 to 10 days of the lime application. Among organic fertilizer, 5 to 7 kg cow dung or 3 to 4 kg litter, and among inorganic fertilizer 100 to 15 urea. So look here, that means here answer is given. So not direct answer, but you need to find it out. You need to do some calculation. Among inorganic fertilizer, 100 to 150 urea, then 50 to 75 DSP and 20 to 30 gram of MOP should be applied per decimal of pond. So look here, it is also written per decimal. That means this fertilizer will be used for on the basis of per decimal. But here it is written 5 decimal length, mind it. That means you need to have a calculation. After 5 to 7 days of fertilizer application, pond water should be tasted either natural food grown or not. And after that, fish fries should be released in the pond. That means dear learners, if you open to your agriculture studies book page number 95, then 5 number points, application of fertilizer, here you will get the answer. Okay, in these connections you need to write 6 to 8 sentences. So look here you need to write, that means your answer will be 6 to 8 sentences. I have written, that means 1 number answer will be how much urea fertilizer did Minara Begum apply in the pond, find it out. Okay, after going to your book page number 95, then 5 number points you will get the answer. Here you will write 6 to 8 sentences of this answer. Now look at the question number B. So look here, evaluate Minara Begum's initiative. So look dear learners, this is a creative questions. And look, evaluate Minara Begum's initiative. That means we need to evaluate, we need to assess the activities of Minara Begum's taken by Minara Begum. So look here, evaluate, that means we need to assess initiative. Dear learners, from your book chapter number 5, actually the answer is not directly given, but you need to use your creative power. Here creative things will be applied. Dear learners, here written that we need to evaluate the initiative taken by Minara Begum. Here we need to give at first the importance of fish cultivation. What should we give? Here we will give the importance of fish cultivation. Okay, we all know that fish cultivation is the second most valuable productions in our country. That means rice is the first valuable crop productions. And on the other hand, fish is the second positions, and the cultivation of fish plays an important role to develop or to increase the economy of our country, and it is rightly or it is correctly referred to as the Mase Bhate of Bengali. That means rice and fish makes a Bengali. Now if we go to the initiatives taken by the Minara Begum, that means she has started the fish cultivation. Definitely the initiatives taken by Minara Begum is praiseworthy, and with this cultivation she has added the income, and after selling added the income, and after selling this fish she can also increase the livelihood and the employment of the other persons. That means in these connections you need to give at least 10 sentences. Dear learners, this answer you will not get directly the answer of these questions from your book. Rather you have to use your creative ability or creative power. So the 10 sentences will be the answer of these questions. Evaluate Minara Begum's initiatives. Okay. Now we will go to our question number 2. So look, why is it convenient to prepare seedlings in polybags? Why is it convenient to prepare seedlings in polybags? Okay, after going to our chapter 6 lesson number 2, techniques of preparation of nursery, we will get the answer. Why is it convenient? Why is it useful to prepare seedlings in polybags? Explain. Now here you will also give your answer in 6 to 8 sentences, or 8 sentences are enough. Here you will get at least 10 sentences. Why is it useful or convenient to prepare seedlings in polybags? Now in these connections we will open our book page number 120. So look, page number 120. 120, look here, page number 120, 120. Then you will get a title named Polybag Nursery. I think you can see this Polybag Nursery. Have you seen it? Yes. Yes, you have seen it, Polybag Nursery. So now we will read the answer what is given here. Seedlings of different plants are grown and taken care of the polybag is called Polybag Nursery. Polybag seedlings are transported easily in the safe place. As a result, they may be kept unaffected at the time of natural calamity. So look here, the answer is little bit small, but you need to give. You must give 8 sentences on the basis of this answer. Why is it convenient to prepare seedlings in polybag? Dear learners, one important thing. That means after going to lesson 2, you will not get the answer of these questions. You need to go to page number 120. Then you will get a title named Polybag Nursery. Here you will get the answer. And another important thing, these answers are not enough. You need to give more informations. You need to give more informations regarding the question number 2. Why is it convenient to prepare seedlings in polybags? At least 8 sentences you will write in against of the answer of these questions number 2. So dear learners, look here, look at the bottom of our board. It is written topic. You will write in the cover page. It is topic chapter 5 agricultural production, then chapter 6 forestry. You will write properly. Topic chapter 5 agricultural productions, then chapter 6 forestry. Then look, it is written our submission date. It is 13 December 13/12/2020. 13 December our last assignment, 6-week assignments, and assignment number 2 of agriculture is your submission date. Dear learners, look here, I have given my messenger and mobile number. So do you know why I have given my messenger and mobile number? Yes, I have given my mobile number and messenger ID to help you much. So I hope all of you have understood the discussions assignment 2 on our agriculture subjects. If you have any query regarding our assignment 2, please write me in the comment box. Don't hesitate to write me. Inshallah, I will give the answer of your questions. Finally, see you again. Inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.